Hi YouTube, Ninja Zay here, and today I'm going to be opening up a Elite that I bought from the store for 500 NBA cash. As you can see, there's no more, so let's open it up. And here's my team so far. I had Giannis, but I took him out. I might put him on the bench actually, cause he adds to the fans. Yeah, let's see. Oh, we got Mitch Richardson, shooting guard. So let's see. So let's see what that makes our team look like. He replaces him. That keeps us at a 79 for some reason. Maybe I just have to replace the power forward. Because once I get at 80, because I have almost all 83s. Might be able to upgrade him a little bit. But yeah, hopefully you guys enjoyed. Thanks for watching. Bye YouTube.